Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make thread. So as example, I will create cylinder and then you can set the side into maximum to make it more smooth. After it, you can search for thread tools, you can tap thread and then we can use these tools, screw thread, this. Now you can set for the inner radius in here, like I will set into 10. For outer 8, and then for inner height you can set into 4. For outer you can set into 0 comma 1. It will be create this corner. For turns, like I will set into 8. Then for total height into 30. You also can scale this object. I will set into 21 and in this point 21. We can move this object into center of this cylinder object. You can select all, use this tools line, and I will select the cylinder. You can move into the center point like this. You can change the objects into hole, and after it you can make group. We waiting to generate and we create this basic thread in TinkerCAD. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make thread. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.